Helicopter and boat rescues continue around the clock in southeast Texas, with more than 3,000 people rescued so far. Meteorologists predict that Harvey will break a U.S. record for the most rainfall from a tropical system. One estimate says that by Wednesday evening, enough rain will have fallen to fill all NFL and Division I college football stadiums nationwide more than 100 times. President Trump is planning to visit Texas today to survey the damage from the first major natural disaster of his presidency. The president promises federal cash for storm-ravaged areas will arrive quickly, saying, quote, "You're going to have what you need and it's going to go fast." Well, help for Houston hasn't come just from FEMA and the National Guard, but also hundreds of ordinary Americans who quickly dropped everything to lend a hand. CBS's Brooke Silva-Braga looks at some of the people who are making their way to Houston.
Tom Poe went to the airport in Milwaukee.
They need help, and I just want to get out there and help them.
Nathan Payne joined a convoy of trucks in Kansas.
It'll be just a lot of long days.
Help for Houston has come from all over the country. Firefighters and police officers trained in search and rescue, like these from New York, have headed to Texas. So have Red Cross volunteers.
And this will be your first deployment?
Yes.
The Salvation Army readied equipment in West Palm Beach, Florida.
We can cook anything and everything. You name it, we got it.
But smaller groups, even individuals, have been called on too by no less than the head of the federal government's emergency response.
Helping Texas overcome this disaster is going to be far greater than FEMA coordinating the mission of the entire federal government. We need citizens to be involved.
And they are. Michael Daniels drove to Houston from Fort Worth.
We got a boat, so we figured let's come down and see what we can do to help.
But on the scene, helping can be complicated. At first, Daniels couldn't find a way into the city.
I'm not going to give up. We got boat, kayaks and 3-ton trucks, so we'll get there.
He'll soon be joined
Mississippi,
by hundreds of strangers
Illinois,
from all over the country.
Missouri.
Brooke Silva-Braga for CBS News, New York.